Hey babes, we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you step by step on how to achieve full coverage, flawless beat every single time without fail, no flashback, easy to follow. Okay, get your makeup, get your brushes, get your kit, sit down, let's do this. Let me help you step by step. I promise you this is guaranteed a flawless finish every single time. If you are ready to see how I achieve this beat down, baby, keep on watching. Hey babes, hey, Britney Janae here, and we are back with another video. Okay, so you guys, not to be rushing, but I need to start dinner, so I'm just, as you can tell by the title, I'm just recording how to get the most perfect, flawless finish foundation application ever. Like, I promise you, you follow these steps, I promise you. I seen this technique on Brianna Marie's Instagram, and ever since he did it, ever since I tried it, I was like, okay, this is my new method of putting on my foundation. This is a new method of doing my face. Like, flawless finish, full coverage application, no flashback. Like, just watch. So we're gonna prep the skin. We're using whatever primer that you're using. I'm using the Pro Filter foundation, the Pro Filter primer by Fenty Beauty. Just priming my skin. I already did my eyes and my eyebrows off camera because this is just focusing on the face. So what she does first is she contours her face. I was like, okay, I'm done this. I was not a cream contour person, but I'm kind of into it now. So I always spray my brush with setting spray. It's just something about it. So lightly cream contour your face, or lightly apply that, because I put a lot on this brush, so I'm just gonna apply it. And then we're going to blend it out. Each step we are going to be blending. I love doing this method because it's like each step you're blending each color into the previous color, so it just merges perfectly each time. That's as much as I'm gonna blend it out because I ain't got time. So I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, which is the Lancôme foundation in the shade. I'm gonna just list everything down in the description box. I'm gonna use my foundation brush, and this is what she does. Go right in here and carve out my contour with my foundation shade. Right there. Ooh, boy, that scared the, y'all see me jump? Scared the fuck out of me. That picture came, it was tape. Tape don't stick too well with double. Anyways, I should have known. I was about ready to run, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I was gonna go. And then you wanna put a foundation color up here, just around where you put the contrast shade so it can blend perfectly. And then we're gonna put a little bit on our nose, just cause. And then we're just gonna, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealers and all of that. So I'm gonna use this hydrating foundation by Fenty. And I'm gonna put my first concealer shade right above where I put the foundation. So step by step, we're going in layers. We're not blending this out yet, because we're gonna blend this out together. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with the concealers. I'm going to wear my Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy Concealer. And then I'm going to pair it with the e.l.f. because, you know, it gets that very full, thick coverage that I'd be looking for. Okay, so now we're gonna take our blending brush, our spread, and we're gonna blend that foundation into that contour. Now we're just gonna blend everything, but we're working with the foundation only. We're going step by step, exactly how we applied it. And press it into your skin. Don't swipe, press. Right, everywhere you put that foundation is where you want to blend. We're just doing the foundation for right now. Do you see how everything is just, do you see it? Okay. Now that we got that, we're going to blend out that first concealer color too into the foundation. That first concealer shade, we're gonna blend that into that foundation shade. Going in layers so you are guaranteed the most beautiful blend. Okay. Now we're gonna take our concealer blending brush, our buffing brush. Now, I hope y'all can see me. I'm pretty sure y'all can see me. Okay. So I'm looking at the mirror behind y'all. And we're just gonna start from the bottom and blend upwards. Really like blend outwards. Or starting from the bottom. Patting motions always. For a seamless finish, a flawless finish, pat it into your skin. Boy, I'm trying to tell you that e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer with the Tarte, that is beautiful. That's all I gotta say about it, is that it's gorgeous. All right. And if you need to, go back in with your foundation brush. Make sure you're all blended. Okay, so put a little on my nose and just press that in lightly, very lightly, because you don't want it to spread. You want it to blend out exactly where it says. It's gonna spread a little bit, but not too much. And then I could cream contour, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna use powder. But I'm also gonna go in with this light shade right here. This lighter shade. Just to brighten up my inner corners just a bit. Literally just a bit. Just to brighten it up. There we go. You don't have to use all this concealer. You can just use one shade. If you have your exact shade, it's just, I like to build up that coverage and all of that. So, you know, I'm a little extra, but go on these layers for sure. Okay, so now we're gonna set it with our Laura Mercier translucent honey setting powder. And we're just going to press that into our skin. Like, literally press it. Like, look how gorgeous that is. Ooh, that is looking like a little something. It's Laura Mercier, the true fanny. So this step right here, you do not have to do. I like to be extra. And carve out my contour so you can just see it a bit more. And then I'm gonna brush away the excess because we don't gotta move all that powder. We don't need all of that. Okay, so now we're going to contour my favorite parts. I'm going to use the Juvias bronzer palette and in the color dark, and I'm going to use these two together. It gives like, it shades it, it contours it, and bronzes me at the same time. And then we're gonna go in with our setting powder, and we're gonna set our whole face. So we're gonna set our whole face. So I'm going and wipe off that. Period. Okay, so another favorite part of mine is I like blush now. Especially, I use these eyeshadow shades in the Juvias Moroccan palette. Is it the Nubian palette, my bad. But I use these two together, this orange and just like a tad bit of purple. And I just brush it on my skin. On my cheeks. So we're gonna set our face from this point on. We're just gonna set it. And then you can choose to do this step or not. I'm going to put a little highlight on. I don't know, like, it just brings it together. Okay. That's where I highlight at. And then we're gonna go in and contour our nose. And of course we're gonna do a nude lip. 'Cause duh, right? All right, let me do my eyes real quick. Just gonna complete the eyes because we got to, you know, something real slight, real simple like. All right, y'all, this is the finished look, and this is how we achieve that flawless full coverage beat down every single time without fail. No flashbacks. Look, I'm about to upload a picture right here, look. No flashbacks, period. Oh, period. All right, y'all. Oh, because we cannot forget. We cannot forget. Cannot forget. It's very important. Very, very.
What do you want to see?